Hello, my lovelies. It's Kimberly. Hey, listen, I just want to make a quick video about holding space and intentions, right? Sometimes we have the best of intentions that we're going to pick back up on a project or, move forward in our spiritual path. And then something happens, life throws us a curveball and, we have to deal with things. And, but the intentions are that we're going to get back on track. You can maybe put your particular situation or something that you've been through, you can maybe relate to this, right? But I just wanted to let you know, give you a little bit of encouragement that when we put a placeholder or we hold the space, our higher self will step back in and say, hey, nudge, nudge, hey, look, we need to get back on track. You asked me to put a placeholder in there for you so you can start moving forward again, and we're going to help you do that, right? So I guess another thing is, like, for me, I'm gonna give you an example for me right now. Meditation. I've gone, someone's gonna like probably say something to me about this, but it's been a couple of weeks since I've meditated. Oh my God, I feel so like disconnected, right? But my intention is to get back on track, right? So I'm making time. I've asked the universe, hey, universe, make the time for me. Make the time for me to meditate, because that gets me in touch with my higher self, right? That helps me connect to the divine. And you know what? It's happening. I have time tonight to be able to do that. Same thing with the videos. Universe, hey, help me make my video. We know that this helps me get out in front of the community. We know that this helps other people grow spiritually. So guess what? That placeholder was there. I held the intention. I held the space. And, and here we are. You're watching my video. So see, manifestation 101. Rock that. But hey, anyway, I just wanted to put this out there. If you're going through something, remember, situations do not define who you are. It's how you react to those situations that defines who you are. If there's something that you want to do to get back on track, hold the space, right? If it's building a network for, for community's sake, or, for spiritual growth, hold the space. It'll happen. When your intention is already placed, the universe will deliver. So, on that note, I just wanted just to hold the intention and hold the space that you are going to have a very blessed day. As always, I always hope the best for everyone who watches these videos. I want all of you just to grow spiritually. I want you to be able to just leaps and bounds in all of your goals and things that you do in life. And yeah, I just want to offer that little bit of encouragement, okay? So I think that's about it for right now. So until next time, much love and light. Ciao.